Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shayna, of thethicghostcloset.com, and this video is a quick get unready with me featuring the products that I use every day to take off my makeup before going to bed. So let's get started. First thing I always do is wipe off my makeup, and I'm using the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. These are the only makeup wipes I use. I do not use anything else because I've used the knockoff brands before, the dollar store brands, and none of them gets my face as clean as these Neutrogena ones. So I'm obsessed with these, and especially when CVS be having them 2 for $10 sales, girl, I hop on it because these are the only things that get my face super clean. Now to actually wash my face, I go with my La Roche Purifying Foam Cleanser and my Clarisonic. I wet my face completely. I pump maybe about 2 pumps onto my Clarisonic, and I just go to town scrubbing my face. This is the only face cleanser I currently use. I've been using it for about 1.5 years after I got it as a PR gift from Amazon, but it has become a staple in my skin routine both morning and night. So I use my Clarisonic every day because, especially taking off my makeup, I want to make sure I really get all that extra makeup that may have not come off with the makeup wipe. So I want to make sure that my skin is completely clean. Then I follow up my face wash with Mini Mo Turmeric Skin Brightening Facial Scrub. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It smells phenomenal, and this is actually my second jar of it. I take a little dollop in my hand and I work it on. I put it on first on my problem areas along my jaw and on the sides of my face and my neck, and then I work this into the skin until I completely dissolve the sugar. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with this stuff. You guys see me posted on Instagram, especially on my Insta stories, mainly on the weekends when I'm sitting down doing a mask. So once I work it into my skin, I really dissolve all that sugar. I do let it sit on my face for 10 solid minutes. And I find that really helps have the product, that turmeric, work well into my skin. So for 10 minutes, let go. So it's been about 10 minutes or so. The mask is now nice and tacky, as you can see. Now it's time to wash it off. You really got to work the water onto your face so that way, one, you don't have any leftover yellow residue, and you really don't want that stuff to get stuck to your skin because it'll be all over your sheets. And then I go in with a dark hand towel. One, because you can't see the residue left on it, and two, I find that dark towels work better for me than light towels. So I go ahead and pat my face dry. I don't rub for the most part, and then let it just air dry before I go in with my oil moisturizer. So after I let my face dry, I go in with my Acne London Restoration Oil. I only use this oil at night. I like to massage it into my dark spots along my jaw and the sides of my face first, and then massage it into the rest of my face and my neck. It smells phenomenal, and it just really helps to replenish the oils in my face so that way I don't overproduce as I sleep. I use a very little bit, and it just goes a very long way. In the morning time, I do use very simple jojoba oil, and it does the same exact thing. So if you're not into luxury brands like Acne, you can go ahead and use any sort of face oil that has been working for you, a rose oil or jojoba oil or whatever you have in your medicine cabinet currently. So there you have it, you guys. That was my get unready with me, my nighttime routine. This is what I do every single night before going to bed, and I'm so happy to finally have found a combination of products that are working for my skin. So as always, I'm Shayna. Thank you guys so much for being here. Be sure to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Check out the other videos here on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.